Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making beef fried rice. Let's begin. I prefer using basmati rice for the fried rice because it doesn't clump together or become mushy. We have here 1 cup of basmati rice and we're going to pour it into the rice cooker. Just like that. I'm going to wash this real quick and we'll be back. Okay, I washed the rice several times in the sink and drained the water. And now we're just going to add some water. There you go. You want the water to be around a ½ an inch above the surface of the rice. We're going to put this in the rice cooker. And next we're going to cover it. And we're going to push this knob down and we'll be back. Okay, the rice is ready. The light went from cooked to warm. And now let's prepare the sauce. For the sauce, we'll need 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. There you go, that's 1. 2. And lastly, 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Take everything and stir it all together. Looking good. We're going to put this to the side. We have here a top sirloin steak. It's close to 2 pounds. For the beef fried rice, we're only using 1 pound. Let's take it out. For this video, we'll be using 1 pound. And we'll save the other piece of the steak for another day. We're going to trim off the fat of the top sirloin steak. There you go. Next, we're going to cut it into 3 long strips. Just like that. Then we're going to cut it into smaller pieces. There we go. It should look something like this. And we're just going to break it apart a little bit more. There. We're going to season the beef with some salt. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. And next, we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Some salt. Some onion powder. And lastly, some garlic powder. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. There we go. Next, we're going to add 1 egg. Mix it all together. First, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix in the cornstarch. It's still a little bit runny. We're going to add 1 more tablespoon of cornstarch. Looking good. It should have a thick consistency to it. And now let's start cooking. I'm going to change out my gloves. Okay, the pan is heated up. We're going to add some cooking oil. Next, we're going to add 2 eggs. Next, you gotta break it apart. Try to scramble up the eggs. Looking good, the eggs are scrambled. We gotta put it to the side. Wipe down the pan. Next, we're gonna add a little bit more oil. Spread the oil around. And now we're gonna add the beef. Spread the beef out. Next, stir them around. Okay, the beef is nicely browned up. We're gonna put it to the side. Try to wipe down the pan. There we go. We're gonna add some more cooking oil. We're gonna add the 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots. Next, we're gonna add the chopped up white onions. Stir everything all together. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Stir everything all together. Try to brown everything all up. Next, we're going to add the basmati rice. There we go. We're going to stir everything all together. As you can see, it breaks apart really easily. Looking good. We're going to add back in the beef and the egg. Stir everything all together. Looking good. We're going to add the sauce. Try to scoop out all the sauce. And now stir everything all together. And lastly, we're going to add the 1/4 cup of chopped up green onions. Looking good, and we're set. Okay, this is what we have today, beef fried rice. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.